Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the double treble crochet stitch. It's one of the basic crochet stitches and also one of the tall crochet stitches. It's one yarn over bigger than the regular treble crochet. Start by chaining 5 stitches to start any row or round. Then you're going to yarn over 3 times. Then insert a crochet hook into the indicated stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And now you've finished the first double treble crochet stitch. It's quite a tall stitch, and let's do another one. Yarn over 3 times and insert the crochet into the stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2, and you've finished 2 double treble crochet stitches. Let's do another one. Yarn over 3 times, insert a crochet hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And that's the double treble crochet stitch, and you can see how 3 stitches look. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial and have a nice day.